Unleash the power of adventure with the MX06 electric mountain bike, built to conquer both city streets and rugged trails with its powerful 80N bullet operator and Bafang gear motor. Whether you're commuting to work or cruising the mountains, the 80 Nm Bafang motor offers all the power you need. Enjoy up to 40 km in pure electric mode, making every ride a breeze. Powered by a high-capacity 720Wh 48V 17.5AH battery, the MX06 ensures reliable performance with a full charge taking just 6 to 8 hours. The sleek, integrated design of the battery seamlessly blends with the bike's frame for a stylish and powerful look. With 3 working modes, pedal assist, full electric, and manual, you can customize your ride. Pedal assist mode offers a range of up to 80 km, while full electric mode provides 40 km of effortless riding. Switch to manual mode anytime for a traditional cycling experience. Equipped with a 7-speed Acera derailleur, the MX06 electric bike ensures smooth shifting, making it easy to tackle any terrain. Whether you're speeding downhill or climbing up, you'll always find the right gear. The LCD display keeps you informed with real-time updates on your speed, battery life, and distance covered, ensuring you stay in control throughout your ride. Ride confidently day or night with the high-brightness headlights that enhance both visibility and style. Plus, the integrated horn adds convenience and safety with a sleek, modern touch. The pannier rack adds practicality to your ride, making it easy to carry extra bags for your daily commute or weekend trips. Designed for both performance and style, the MX06 electric mountain bike is your perfect companion for work, play, and everything in between. Discover the world of power, style, and adventure with the MX06 electric mountain bike. Take on your next journey today.